Good afternoon, friends. Now, a very quick one. My name is Daniel from WD Services. A good friend of mine actually asked this question on one of my blogs, and I think it's best I come up to share with you guys too. Okay. All right. The question is, he said, "Good evening. I need to upload images on the website. How do I go about this?" Okay. Is a friend, is a boss, is a big uncle, I just have to find every means to break this down to the barest minimum. Okay, so this is strictly for Google Sealed account holders. And then in case you want Google to host your website for you, or you wish to migrate your Google account to another hosting company, or probably you are lost on how to create a custom URL, having a subdomain under your domain, you get, having like training.wditservices.com or registration.wditservices.com. Simply comment in the comment section of this video and I will do a video on that just for you. Okay, all right. So in this tutorial today, there are actually two approaches to doing this. And in this video, I will break them down into pieces step by step. So hang on to your PC and let's get started. First approach, let me say it in terms of steps so that you get what I'm saying actually. So the step one will be you first and foremost get your browsers ready, and the good browser we're going to use for this particular lab is our Google Chrome. All right, like as you can see here now, I'll be typing into this place. You type in www.gmail.com. Okay, this takes us directly to a sign-in page. I would like to use English because I don't understand Arabic. All right, so it brings us down to our sign-in page from Google, and what we need to do is to click on sign in. Okay, all right, hit on the sign in. Then you log in with your admin username and password. Step two, log in with your admin username and password. When you are creating the website, or when we create website for you, what we do is that we use info at your website, at your domain, you get, when the website is being created. So it's best practice to use info at. So if your own is info at testing.com, simply enter info@testing.com. Then my own for this particular lab is d@debamepe at wditservices.com. Then I hit up the next one, and I simply put in my password. Password is a secret login code that should be known to only you. And for best practice, it's always good to set up your two-way authentication, which Google also recommends. Okay, so on this platform I have on my phone that set up, so I simply hit yes on my phone and it logs on into the system. All right, in this first approach, what you need to do in the step 3 is to hip up to where you scroll down to the top right side of your screen, like as I'm here now. This is the top right side of my screen. You scroll down here and click the dotted box to locate your My Business Account folder. Okay, so let's click it and locate this folder. This is the folder that holds your Google package. Okay, your Google business package, right? So you click on it and it takes you to your business.google.com/dashboard interface. This is now your interface for your website. Okay, so I have a site here which is for this particular lab, and I'll be using it to explain it in details to you. Okay, what you do now here is to scroll down to step 4. You simply go down to website. This is my website. I click on website at the that's the left side, bottom left side corner of the screen. Click on website. Okay, we are right into the website. You can see wditservices.com. All right, so this is my website here. What I need to do here is to click on this icon below here. On your own interface, these icons here may be listed at this corner. Anywhere on the screen, just locate your picture, your photo icon. Click on the photo icon and it takes you into another interface where you can select from your computer. I mean your desired pictures from your computer wherever you might have saved it. Okay, so I'll be using this picture as an example for this practical lab, and let's try to check through it. Okay, it's basically that's me playing the bass, and these are my guys on the instrument. Okay, so I'll be using this and I'll simply click on open. It uploads this into my website, and you simply come up here and scroll down gently, scroll down to good. So we have it here. As you can see, I already have the image in here before, but for the purpose of this explanation, I also upload the same image so as to show you that I have it in here before. So you can add more image by clicking on this add icon over here, and it will keep adding images, as many images you want to add to your website. Okay, all right, that is the first step to approach that is the first step. Okay, now let's quickly go back to, let's check out the second step to approaching this. And the second step, it means we have to remove the history so that we can go back to the default. So I come up to this place, I click my history. I want to delete all the histories on my browser so that I'll have a fresh account here. So I'll say clear all. All right, so let me click over this and move over to my Google Chrome again, and let's check out step 2. So how is step 2 going to be like? You simply type in the address bar of your browser business.google.com. I love this a lot because it's simpler anyway, and it's faster. Business.google.com. Okay. My business.google.com automatically takes me to my interface where I need to sign in. You can see it brings me to a sign-in page. Obviously, it's different from the other one, but it's still the same sign-in page. It's just that the location is different. The sign-in location is different. Okay, so click on the sign-in. Then it prompts you to enter your email address. The same thing you have to enter, just as we did in the first step. Use your admin email. And what's my admin email for this particular lab is d@dbamikwe at wditservices.com. All right, click on next. Then your password, which is a secret code for only you. Okay, it comes up with another authentication, which is necessary for all account security. Okay, simply hit yes on my phone and it enters into the system. All right, the second approach, automatically after signing in your admin email and password, it brings you into the my business interface directly. You don't need to come up here, unlike when you go through your email. You don't need to come up to this side and enter and come into my business. You're already into my business interface, as you can see. So this is my business interface. So the same step we took earlier, you just come up to websites And from website, you can see you have your icon here, your photo icon. Click on the photo icon, go straight to select photos from your computer, and Kalas, upload any photos of your desire. Okay, let me upload. This is actually my wife. She's she's on watch here working actually. So I'll be uploading a picture into the website here. Okay. So I've already uploaded it. So let's try to scroll down and check what is really happening down here. If really the picture has been uploaded. Oh, good, Kalas. So we have the picture in here. In case I wish to upload more pictures, what I need to just do is to hit the hard image. I'll keep, uploading more pictures, and as many pictures I want to add up to my website is left to me to decide that. Okay. All right. Before I wrap up this tutorial, I would like to add up this little information, although it was not asked in the question, but I think it will do us a lot of good if we actually know this. Okay. And it's how do we delete uploaded videos, pictures you don't like. For example, you have uploaded a picture and you want to scrap it off, you don't like it. So what are the steps to deleting it so that you don't mess around with your website? What you do is, while you are still on this your business.google interface dashboard, what do? You simply scroll down to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on photos. This holds all the photos on your website. So you click this part, photos. Then on this part, you can see I have this instrumentalist here too. I would like to remove one because obviously I should not have two pictures so the same in a particular website. So I want to remove this number one. So what I do is I simply click on it once, and it takes me to another page where I can see the delete button. This is the delete button at the top right corner of your screen. Click delete and a message pops up for you. Deleted photos cannot be recovered. Post created with these photos will still be visible on your listing. Okay, so simply click on delete, and you can see down here, so your photos has been deleted. So that photo obviously will not be here. You can see it's no more here, so this remains one here. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial, although I want to make it very short because of the request of from my big boss. That is just it. So the major difference is if you sign in through your business.google.com, it brings you directly to your business interface. So you wouldn't need to go down to the dotted line, the dotted box here to select my business. You understand? In reverse, in the other way around, if you go in through your www.gmail.com, sign in through your mail, you'll need to come into this portion and click my business hold, or where you can edit your photos, your products, your messages, and view your website. Okay. All right. If this information actually is helpful, kindly click the subscribe button. Don't go without liking it, and please share. This will encourage us to do more videos like this. Also, don't forget to click the notification icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be notified. Okay. All right. Do have a wonderful time researching. God bless you. Peace out.